lapha eKwaNdlovu kuzocelwa indodakazi yami. Ngifisa ukuthi ahambe kahle, amphathe kahle abantu bakaMthetho, abalingane bami. Naye leya khona asiphathe kahle njengentombazane ekhuliswe ekhaya.
Ngibongela uSine umntanami ukuthi umndeni akaMthethwa umamukele. Sijabule kakhulu kuba nani. Ngalomzuzu sithokoze kakhulu.
Ngijabulile, ngithokozile ukuthi bazothatha udodakazi. Ngiyabonga.
I would like to thank my fiancé and husband-to-be for Iqiniso Lakhe for keeping his promise and honoring my family. Wazobahlonipha abazali bami. Sengathi uNkulunkulu engasibinda ngomoya wakhe and may we be one. I wish that uNkulunkulu angaseka kungangeni izitha in our marriage and that there may be peace that surpasses all understanding. There may be joy and memories as a family.
Sawubona Nyambozi.
Dingiswayo. Hlangalezwe, my husband-to-be and my best friend.
Ngiyazinikela namhlanje isizo uNkulunkulu.
You are an amazing human being. Ngiyabonga Nyambozi ngokuhlonipha abazali bami.
I promise to be loyal, faithful, and to be a husband to you and you alone.
Thank you for choosing me. And thank you for helping me rewrite my story.
Ngiyafunga namhlanje in front of our family and friends that no one will ever come between us.
I vow to partner with you in the calling that is upon your life.
Finally, thank you for choosing me, Vetsu. You are the physical manifestation of what complete restoration looks like to me.
Ngiyathembisa ukuma nawe through every season of our lives. I vow to be your helper and your missing rib.
To give you a life that will wipe away all the tears you've ever cried.
I shall be faithful and I will always be one with you.
And I want you to know that I love you and I trust you with my whole heart.
Everyone, welcome back to Sale Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngoKhaya Mthethwa. Well guys, yona ke video yabo lena lathi beveza khona ukuthi ke kwahamba kanjani from amalobolo kuye ke kumshado ke wabo. Cha kwakuhle ngempela bakithi, kwakuhle ngempela. Ndisibafisela inhlanhla ke bakithi nalabo bakithi ke abazuthi umuntu mangabe enza into enhle kufanele bavele bahambe bolanda ke indaba zakhe ezimba ezenza bazoyineka. Hayi bakithi ake sifundeni ukubongisa abantu, sifundeni ukunika abantu i-second chance mawukuthi khona la kade ke sibabona ukuthi bamoshe khona. But anyway guys, let's celebrate with the Mthethwas, and we are hoping ukuthi ke this time umshado wakhe uzolasta uMthethwa ungafani ke nalo umshado wakhe ke wokuqala. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with them guys. Bye.